The rising popularity of mechanical keyboards, driven by typists and gamers seeking premium feel, durability, and performance, is mirrored in power tools. Today's woodworkers demand routers that combine precision, rugged build, and versatility. This guide reviews top-rated wood routers by evaluating motor power.
List number 1. Teeno Wood Router, 6.5 amp, 1.25 HP. The Teeno 6.5 amp, 1.25 HP wood router is a standout among compact router tools thanks to its powerful all-copper motor, 6-speed control, and robust accessory bundle. With variable speeds ranging from roughly 13,000 up to 33,000 RPM, this router adapts to a wide range of materials, from delicate trim work to more aggressive edge profiling. Its die-cast aluminum body and base provide both stability and heat dissipation, while the transparent base cover offers clear visibility of your cutting line and reduces flying chips. Its ergonomic, soft grip handle makes it comfortable during prolonged use, and there's a quick lock mechanism for fast depth adjustments. In terms of accessories, this router comes equipped with a 15-piece quarter-inch bit set, edge guide, roller guide, carbon brushes, and wrenches, making it a well-rounded starter or upgrade router. Its soft start feature helps reduce startup torque, giving you more control when powering on. Overall, the Teeno 6.5 amp 1.25 HP router is an ideal for hobbyists and semi-professionals who want a reliable, high-power compact router with great speed flexibility and a complete accessories set.
List number 2. The Bosch PR20EVS Colt 1.0 HP variable speed palm router is a professional-grade palm router that combines compact form with serious performance. Its 5.6 amp motor delivers up to 1.0 HP, offering speeds between 16,000 and 35,000 RPM, giving you precise control for fine trimming or more aggressive routing. Bosch Tools, +2. The Power Tool Store, +2. Bosch's constant response circuitry helps maintain consistent speed under load, while a soft start system reduces startup shock. KSRSsales.com. The rugged aluminum fixed base is precise and durable, with quick depth adjustments, both macro and microfine, and a quick clamp for easy base changing. Bosch Tools. In addition, the motor accepts bits up to 1 5/16 of an inch in diameter, expanding its versatility. MacToolshop.com. Its economic design includes rubber over-molded palm grip and finger support pockets, making extended use comfortable and stable. Contractortool.com, +1. The top-mounted variable speed dial is convenient for on-the-fly adjustments. Bosch Tools. Although it's a fixed base model, no plunge by default, its build quality, power, and compactness make it excellent for cabinetry, trimming, hinge mortising, and edge finishing. It's a router that delivers pro-level performance in a tool that's easy to control and maneuver.
List number 3. Teeno Wood Router, 650-watt compact router. If power and portability matter most, the Teeno 650-watt compact router is a smart pick. This model is powered by a pure copper 650-watt motor and supports 6-speed operation, with a range from about 15,000 to 32,000 RPM. The lower starting speed makes it ideal for lighter routing tasks, and the higher end lets you tackle tougher cuts. One of its best features is the transparent base, which provides excellent visibility for precision work. Combined with a depth adjustment scale and a quick lock system, you can make accurate, repeatable cuts easily. The router also includes a soft grip, shock-absorbing handle that helps minimize fatigue. On the convenience side, the Teeno 650-watt router includes a dust extraction port to keep your workspace cleaner. It comes packed with a 12-piece quarter-inch shanked bit set, a straight guide, roller guide, 2 wrenches, and a dust hood. This router is an excellent fit for DIYers, crafters, and beginners who need a capable, budget-friendly tool that's compact enough for small workshops but still delivers solid performance for edge work, grooving, and decorative trim.
List number 4.
Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP compact router tools. The Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP compact router MW0104 is designed for both hobbyists and pros who want a reliable, versatile router at a competitive price. Its 6.5 amp motor powers a variable speed dial, 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, giving you flexibility for different woodworking materials and bit sizes. Avid Power Tools. Precision is prioritized through a rack and pinion depth adjustment system, which lets you dial in depths accurately. The quick lock mechanism simplifies switching between base plates or adjusting depth without fuss. Avid Power Tools. Plus, dual built-in LEDs illuminate your work area, particularly helpful when routing in low light or detailed setups. Amazon Canada, +1. The ergonomic rubber-covered grip feels comfortable, and the general build gives confidence when working on long or demanding sessions.
List number 5. 2-Win 110V 800-watt compact wood router. Last but not least, the 2-Win 110V 800-watt compact wood router offers a surprisingly powerful option in a compact form factor, especially considering it comes bundled with 15 router bits. Its 800-watt motor spins at up to 30,000 RPM, giving enough punch for trimming, grooving, and more detailed routing work. The design uses a mix of aluminum and durable plastic. Its transparent base allows clear visibility of the cutting area, and a depth scale with a lift knob helps you set your routing height precisely. Straight and trimming guides are included, supporting more controlled routing and guiding paths. For accessories, the set is very generous. Besides the 15 tungsten carbide bits, you also get 2 wrenches, a carbon brush, a straight guide, a trimming guide, and mounting hardware. The router is especially practical for DIYers, cabinet makers, and hobbyists, offering a full kit at a budget price.